Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. It is Karina from Per Diem Thrift. If you are new here, welcome. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark. I also own my own brick and mortar consignment store, and today I'm actually taking you in the back of the store to show you guys what I like to call my warehouse. This is where I do all of my online reselling, and I thought I would give you a tour of how I have it all set up. I've already done a tour of my actual retail space, so if you guys haven't seen that already, I will link that up above so you can check it out. But this is where we get into the good stuff. Fair warning, it is not complete. I don't think I'll ever be like fully satisfied with how it's set up, but right now it is good to go. It is functional. This is just like a good foundation for how I want the back to look. There's a lot of work to be done, but I told you guys I would show you what I've been up to, and I finally cleaned it enough to show you guys, so let's get into it. I also want to add this, but like I mentioned earlier, I have been reselling for almost 11 years now. I've been full-time since 2019, so I'm going on my 4th year of being a full-time reseller. And if you guys look on my YouTube channel, you will see many office tours, because I feel like I've moved a lot and I've had different spaces that I worked out of. So just keep in mind that this wasn't definitely not an overnight thing. I've definitely worked to get this kind of space, but I have made it work in 1-bedroom apartments, in 2-bedroom houses, in basements, in garages. I've made my reselling business work no matter where I'm at. So you can take inspiration from any of those videos. But anyway, I'm really excited to show you guys what I have going on back here. All right, so when you are in the back of my store, you see this gorgeous archway. And on this side, you'll see a window, which is actually my office. And I have the window there so that when I'm working in the back, I can see when people come into the store, because I am the only person really working right now. So it's just nice to have that visibility. But when you come back here, I know it's not the best coverage, but I have this room divider that I usually keep in the middle to kind of block off the back. But then you walk and you see my dressing rooms back here, and then this is where all the magic happens. So here's a little overview of my reselling space. Don't mind this, it's a hot mess. But we've got all of the supplies over here, and then this is my office. Again, it is lived in, it is worked in. That is what a workspace is. So it's not the cleanest, but anyway, let's start in here. Let's start in the office. So as you can see, there's a bunch of piles of inventory on the floor. This is all inventory that needs to go out onto my retail space, and I did actually have somebody who was coming in over spring break to help me, and she tagged and inventoried all of this. So this is really where I process a lot of my stuff, whether it is for Poshmark or for the store. I have my computer here. I just have an Apple Mac. And then I have 2 of these standing desks, which are from FlexiSpot, and I will stand or I'll sit. My chair's from IKEA, if anyone's wondering. And then I have just some stuff over here, but I have my Rollo printer, and I have this printer here that I use to tag inventory for the shop, but this is where I spend a lot of my time. I have my second desk here, and this is kind of just like a catch-all for my printer and whatever else I need. I just got all this stuff. I actually bought all of these during Black Friday so that I could really, you know, turn this place into a place that I can stay in for a long time. So I have a little mini fridge and a microwave, and then I have a water thing here. And then this guy right here is, I don't remember where I got this from. I might have gotten this rolling thing from maybe Joann's or Staples or something, but it's again just like a catch-all. It has just random stuff on the bottom, and then up here it has like little stuff for when I'm filming, my microphone, and it's just a nice little thing that can roll around all over the place. Eventually, I want to decorate this room a little bit more and create cute little like filming sections, like maybe get a couch, maybe put more shelves in here. But so far, this is what it's looking like. And let's come out of the room. So directly to the side, when you come out of that back room, we have a bunch of storage. So I love how this looks. Like, I definitely need to restock on my USPS boxes, but I have all of my bags for the store, so it's just easy to come over and grab them. And then I have all of my shipping supplies. There's poly mailers in there. But I need to organize this more and restock on some of the boxes because I don't have everything. And then this is just a bag of my reusable bags, some like labels, tape, things like that there. More shipping supplies up here, and then just storage for things that I don't really need at the moment. This is also super random. I need to go through these and kind of get rid of some stuff because I've had this forever and I don't think I need it, but it's just there. And then we got some cleaning supplies, obviously. We've got some water for my dispenser. I'm not really sure where to keep these, so they're just here because they're heavy. And then moving over here, I know this is a hot mess, but this is where all of my go backs go, like inventory that I have to give back to consigners is going to live on this shelf here. This stuff is stuff that I've been prepping to send into ThreadUp. So these guys all have tags on them and I need to ship those out, but these guys still need to be boxed up, weighed, and then sent out. So I'm working on that this week, but once this is gone, then this whole wall will kind of be empty and a lot cleaner. And also when people pick up their consignment stuff, then that will be gone too. This is my Christmas tree that I just packed up because I ruined the box for it. But anyway, the back over here, when you come over here, this is the bathroom. It's nothing special, honestly. It's kind of ugly and I want to make it cute in here too. I would turn on the light, but it is really, really loud, like the fan turns on. So this is my bathroom and this will definitely get a little bit of a glow up. And then back here is just storage. It is a hot mess. I keep trash here because I'm too cold to go outside, but I have a big dumpster and then a recycling dumpster. Over here is all of Charlie's rug stuff and a keg. Don't mind the keg. But he will be hopefully doing more rugs in the future and selling them in my store. Haven't fully figured out what I'm gonna do with this back area yet. It's kind of just storage catch-all for random stuff. But this area here is like my new favorite part of this whole back space because I just got these shelves in. When I was redoing this back area, I'll see if I can insert a clip of what it looked like before I was able to clean it, but it was a hot mess. But I just got these racks in. I really didn't want to buy anything new, and one of my besties at the studio that my shop used to be in was getting rid of these, so I snagged those, and I absolutely love the way that they look here. But yeah, it's just gonna make my whole inventory system a lot cleaner. This table is gonna be where I am like kind of sorting through things, like when I get a new haul, when I'm sorting, when I go out sourcing and I need a haul, put it here so that I can get it ready to be photographed in my wonderful light box. This thing has just been an absolute game changer for me. And then I have this rack here where I've been putting things that I need to photograph, and then I put them in this bin after so that I can stick them in my inventory and then put them in these bins and stay organized. And then I got another one of these. I actually just got this and built it today, but I wanted something that could have all of my photographing props in it so that it's just easy. It can roll around wherever. But these are just little like shoe display things. I have some boot ones in here, and over time I know I will fill this up. And then yeah, this is my light box. Like I said earlier, I absolutely love this thing. And then over here we have, this is literally all my Poshmark inventory right now, just these 5 bins and then all of these shoes. And I would love to maybe get, I don't know, another thing for shoes, or figure out how else I can get more shoes in here, because that is all I've really been focusing on selling. And then this rack is kind of random stuff, but eventually this will be like things that can't fit in my bags and my poly mailers that I'm selling on Poshmark. It'll just live on racks right here. And this is honestly a lot of space for how much inventory I have on Poshmark right now. I believe I have like My inventory number is maybe in like the 200s, and I am potentially growing that quite a bit this year. I'm working on just figuring out how to make it make sense for me to go sourcing or get inventory sent to me or whatever. But I really wanted this space because I knew that I could grow into it. So over time, we'll probably add more shelves, add maybe, another light box if I get employees or something. But yes, I'm absolutely loving this space. There's still a lot of work to be done. If you guys have any like tips or recommendations for how I could utilize this space better, let me know. I definitely want to make it cute back here. I want to add like rugs and some more seating, because especially during the summertime when my daughter is going to be hanging out with me, she's going to be spending time here, and I want her to be comfortable. But yeah, anyway, that is it for my little warehouse tour. I know it's really small, right? Well, actually, it's not that small. It's just I don't have that much to show you. But yeah, all right. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time for another video. Bye!